So am I making a vlog out of this? Am I making a vlog out of this? So Carly likes to surprise me with belated birthday gifts.
No, not belated.
It's belated!
I get you the gift, but you're busy.
I'm busy. It's been a few months since my birthday, and Carly has told me to keep this particular date free for quite a while. What are we doing?
Let's say, I think you'll prefer it more than last year.
Okay, this was what last year was. Oh my god! It was bloody awful.
That is what you wanted to do.
Okay, so 1 hour later we are in Amersham and I still don't know what we're doing. Okay, we're in a taxi now. Apparently we're nearly there.
Few inches later.
Pigs! Oh god! Kita! Oh, we're going to see the pigs. We're at a farm. Thank God. Thank God. I was so worried we were going to go ape again. Oh God! Thank God we're just looking at pigs. Where are we, Mouse?
We're at Cute Little Pigs Farm.
Cute Little Pigs! Sounds like Cute Little Pigs Farm.
Cute Little Pigs to look at some micro pigs.
Micro pigs! Coming up in Ben and Carly's adventures with the pigs. Carly brushes a pig, Ben holds a brush, there's a pig lying down asleep. Carly brushes a pig, takes some photos of the pig nose, and brushes some more pigs. I really hope you like pigs, there's plenty of pigs, so subscribe! Pig beer. Hello, welcome to Amersham Farm, where Carly has treated me to a pig
Experience.
experience.
We've got 2 pairs of size 4s in here. The other lady hasn't got a pair either.
Oh, he's going for the camera. Alrighty then. The experience begins with a brush, and some pigs, and some goats, and some apples.
Oh, yeah. I don't guys, fellas.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. So these are the micro pigs now. We're moving in.
Look
Look at that snout on that. It's just like your nose, man. It's close. Snout, 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 snout. Whoa, really? Whoa! Really going for it. So this guy's the model pig that's been on adverts and stuff. I don't know what he's trying to do to me. I'm off. I'm scared a little bit. Okay, it's the moment of truth. We're going into the pig pen. This is what you stroke them with, and this is what you feed them with. Here we go. Oh, he nearly went for it. Busy day. What a stroke. How's the family? Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. Oh.
Yeah.
Try to eat the camera. Big selfie, big selfie, big selfie. Come on, follow me. That was the pigs. They nearly ate the whole camera. Off to another one.
Look at that one. Chilling.
Mouse hasn't got any wellies.
Love.
Carly and I are in with the pigs again. Now, they love the camera. The camera lens is already dirty. They keep trying to bite it, so I've got to be careful. Have a little nibble.
Oh, I feel like you could be Billy.
He's having a lie down. Oh, he's making the most of this, Mouse. Mouse
What
is
do you
scared.
do?
Push the spider off.
I can't.
Chilling with the pigs. So we're going in with the smallest pigs, which are the show pigs. Oh, here we go. Oh, biggie, biggie. Oh, biggie. Oh, biggie, biggie.
No, no, piggy, piggy, no.
Oi, oi, out, out, out. I've let a pig free. This way. Oh, he's back.
He's back, Mum.
Another pig in the bag. So that was a day out at Q Little Pig's Pig Farm, and it was great. Highly recommended for pigs, goats, goats and hens.
Oh, highly recommended to see.
If
not
you like-
highly recommended for pigs.
If you love pigs, you'll love Q Little Pig's Farm. I can't say that, Q Little Pigs.
Cute little pigs.
Like cute little pigs.
Cute little pigs.
In Amersham.
Old Amersham.
It's great. I love pigs.